Check out this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 AT4. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 4 SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheel, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, off-road suspension, radio, premium GMC infotainment system with multi-touching radio, premium GMC infotainment system with navigation. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.